today we're making... What are we making, Serena?
Today we're making trifle cups.
Trifle cups? That's a trifle silly word. What have we got here?
Today we have
some
yogurt.
Yogurt?
Some yummy creamy Greek yogurt.
I love yogurt.
And some muesli.
Ooh, crunchy, munchy muesli.
And some berries.
Ooh, lots of berries. Frozen berries and real strawberries. Oh, cool. I don't think it should be called a trifle cup.
You don't like the name?
No.
What do you think it should be called?
I think it should be called a crunchy, squishy, squashy, creamy cup.
Yeah. Okay, we'll call it that then.
Okay, so what do we do?
So we do 3 layers. First of all, we do muesli, and then yogurt, and then fruit.
Do we have to do 3? Can I do 5?
You can do as many as you like.
Oh, cool. Can I start with berries?
Yes.
So get some berries. Oh, this is very nice. I just made a joke. And some creamy yogurt. Blop. Am I doing good?
Doing very well.
Okay. And some crunchy muesli. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And that's 3 layers. I might put some more, a bit more crunchy and more creamy with the yogurt. Some natural yogurt. Serena, can you tell us a joke, please?
A joke, let me think. What is blue and goes up and down?
I don't know. What is blue and goes up and down?
A blueberry in an elevator.
A blueberry in an elevator. That's silly. I got some blueberries here.
You have.
Ooh. Oh, it's all...
Look at that, colourful.
Colourful. Cool. We make some more?
More? Yep.
Yep.
There you go.
I'm going to do it different this time. I'm going to do crunchy first. And then berries. And then some creamy. This is going to be so yummy. With crunchy, creamy, squashy, squishy.
Look at that.
And maybe 4 layers this time. I'll finish with, what should I finish with? Crunchy? Or squishy? Or creamy? Crunchy, yeah. Or crunchy. Ooh. Yay.
Lovely. Good
Thank
job.
you.
There we go. Any combination you like.
Yay. Can we try some? This is real party food. I love it. I've got another spoon. Would you like to try one?
I might. Thank you.
Let's try it.
Let's see.
I'm going to squish it in a bit so I can get some crunchy, squishy and squashy and creamy all together.
All at once. Yum.
That is so good. I love it. I love your silly trifle cup. I can't wait to have these cups at my party.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, remember kids,
Real food, party food keeps you in a good mood.
Bye.